Alrighty, so I'm in the swing studio today and I'm working with the Trackman computer. What I'm going to do is hit 2 shots today at the same swing speed. I'll aim left first of all to play for a fade when the ball will start left of target and hopefully curve back to centre fairway. And I'll do the opposite for my natural shape, which is where I aim right, start the ball right of target and hopefully it'll bend back to centre fairway. I'm going to try and swing at the same club head speed with both shots and see what impact that has on the ball's distance and also the ball's speed. So first shot I'm going to aim left. Okay, so let's take a good look at that first of all. I got 102 miles an hour, or 102.5 miles an hour of club head speed. I only carried it 235 and that gave me 249 total. Now my swing path there was 9 degrees to the left of target. That's not a good player's swing, but I aim left. So let's have a look at what the optimizer said. Now the optimizer screen is the cleverest part of the whole Trackman system. It's telling me at 102.5 miles an hour, I should have carried the ball 247 for a total distance of 273. But because I hit a fade, the computer's telling me that I've lost 12 yards of carry, but more importantly, look at that total distance loss, 24 yards of total distance loss. So remember those numbers there, 102 miles an hour speed gave me 249 total distance. I'm now going to do the opposite. Just stick that camera up for you. I'm going to aim on the right hand side. Again, swing at hopefully that sort of speed there. Get a better camera angle there. So 102.5 gave me 249 yards of total distance. 235 carry, 249. Alrighty, so remember 102 miles an hour first of all. I've only swung 1.5 mile an hour differently. 235 carries, so the carries are the same, but look at this difference here, 274.8 yards total distance. Now what it's telling me there is that whilst my carry was similar, I've gained all that distance there. So I'm a full 25 yards longer with only 1.5 miles an hour of swing speed difference. My path into the ball was very heavy, 8.5 positive. So what that tells us there, remember the phrase I use often, oblique is weak. If I hit the golf ball with an open face, pointing left, and play a fade, I naturally lose distance. Because I strike the ball, it's not the most powerful way of contacting the ball. When I swing from the inside, 8.5 degrees on the inside there, and give it a good smack, and get right into the back of the ball, I gain 25 yards of distance. At 25 yards of distance times 14 drives, that's a hell of a lot of yardage taken off the golf course. So if you're a fader of the ball, you're actually losing a lot more distance than you might think. Let's just compare ball speeds here. On this swing here, I got a ball speed of 154.7, and on the previous shot, 147. So 147 against 154. So my ball's moving 7 miles an hour faster because the strike is square at the back of the ball. So remember, oblique is weak in golf. If we swing from the inside and square that face to the back of the ball, we optimize club head speed, ball speed, and total distance. Now, interestingly as well, what the optimizer is telling me here is that I didn't strike it that well. I should really have got 265 carry and a total distance of 292. So what it's telling me there as well is that because I swung better on that shot, there's a lot more potential for me. And when we work with the optimizer and we work with Trackman, the better you swing, the optimizer said there's plenty more in the tank, and it gives us an idea of what your potential is. So finding your potential in golf, the first measurement is where you are right now, and then as you improve, it keeps telling you what your potential reach is. Now, once you start getting your numbers close to that potential, it's telling you your swing is very, very efficient for the speed that you swing at. So it's well worth coming in here with one of the pros or myself, coming in and looking at your game, let's get a good measurement, and the data's so unbelievably accurate. It's fantastic. So I hope you're keeping healthy and look forward to seeing the club sometime soon. Enjoy the data.